Hi everybody, Brandy here. Students need to learn something new every single day, and you can do that as a teacher by pre-testing and post-testing your students. Pre-testing to find out what they know ahead of time, and then if they're able to pass with 85th percentile or above, then you're able to take them on and do some differentiated work with them so they don't need to learn things that they already know. One easy way that you can do that is by using Google Forms. This is inside of Google Drive. You simply open up Google Drive and then you'll choose a form. And once you come into the forms, you're going to select blank. And this is where you will find the form that you're going to work on. And I'm simply going to rename this form Spelling Test Week 1. I've typed in Spelling Test Week 1, and then I also put a little note to students at the bottom. If you pass this test with 85% or better, you'll be able to work on differentiated work more at your level. This allows students to work on things that are most appropriate for them. The nice part is once you've done this once, this becomes your template and you'll never have to do it again. You'll have a spelling template ready to go. And you simply go up here, make a copy, rename it, and that template is ready to go. Step 2, you're going to select quizzes. So we're going to go up to the settings icon up here, and then we're going to go down to make this a quiz. I like to collect responses for students using their email address. This allows me quickly to know who it is that is doing the test. If they're already logged into the system using a QR code or signing in, that email address is automatically collected. So I'm going to collect their email address, and I can decide if I want to send them the response. It might be nice for them to find out if they would like their response or not. We're simply going to go up to questions at the top, and we're going to go ahead and put in some new questions. The first one is a question that is going to be a short answer. All of these will be short answer, and it's just going to be the student's name. Once you're done with that, you're going to press required, and then you're going to add an additional question. And it's simple when you're doing a spelling test because you're going to be giving this test orally, and you're just going to ask the students to fill in the spelling test sheet as you're giving the answer. So each one of these then become a short answer, and the question is number 1, and the answer key is where you put the correct spelling. So the first one is mood. That's the first question. So that's how it should be spelled correctly. And we're going to mark all other answers incorrect and go to the next one. That's number 2. And again, this is going to be a short answer. And our answer key, the correct answer, is build. And then we're going to mark all other answers incorrect. If you'd like to give points, you can definitely do that here. That's very easy to do, 1 point for each. And then you just continue to work your way down. So that is how you make a template for a spelling test so that students can get feedback instantly and you can pre-test all of your students using one-on-one technology. I hope this was helpful. If you have any questions, reach out. See you next time. Bye for now.